Welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. Well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I have the Natasha Denona My Mini Dream palette. I've started putting it on my eyes, so let me bring you up to speed. There's 3 clean to mattes in this palette, 2 metallics. I have balance in my crease. I started to put Loyalty in my outer V. I need a blending brush. Oh, I also have the Mini Mind Dream blush and highlighter. I'm just blending out the shades. I usually, if you're new here, I don't do anything spectacular with eyeshadow. I do a very basic eye. I'm not a makeup artist. Then I'm gonna go into Passionate, which is a metallic right here, and actually I'm going to use both the metallics. One's Passionate and one's Devotion. I'm going to use Devotion. I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to take the other metallic and place that in the inner part of my eye. It's a basic neutral palette. I mean, you could get away if you didn't want to spend the money for the nude palette, you could either get the nude mini or you could get this palette. This palette's fine for an everyday look. Put on some mascara. try out the blush. It looks like there's 2 different blush shades. I'm gonna mix them together. I'm gonna mix these together. Very pretty. I'm gonna go into this highlighter. I don't know if this is too deep for me or not. I like this. This is very good for travel. That's it. What do I think? I think it's good. I mean, the palette's $27 and the mini's $29. So it comes out to $40-something. I didn't pay that though. I recommend it. If you're just looking for a basic neutral palette and you don't want to spend the money on the midi nude, I would say this is a good contender if you like these cool shades. I'm a big proponent of cool toned shades, well, because my skin is cool toned. But I do like it. I'm glad I picked it up. Well, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video.